One Piece Chapter 11-13. In this chapter, after a long 10-minute countdown break, the Dr. Vegapunk finally spoke, and as he said, "Our world is going to sink into the ocean." The story of One Piece took a different turn. Why, when, and who will do this? Lots of questions are here. Everyone is making their own theory. So I thought that finally I should also present my theory in front of you. Oda-sensei was not giving me a host. So I thought I should come myself and tell you my theories. Yes, I am a fruit, devil fruit. The Ryan know me. I think that's all about me today. I will tell you more about myself some other time. Now let's talk about theories. Theory number 1. Some people think that this will happen when Luffy is about to become the Pirate King, and maybe when he fights with the Celestial Dragons in Mary Geoise, then he will destroy the Red Line, due to which the sea level will start rising and the whole world will drown. This also seems right because by destroying Red Line, all the seas will become one. Due to this, Sanji will also get all blue. In the Fishman Island arc, Madame Shirley predicted that Luffy would destroy Fishman Island in the future. This also makes it possible. I do not accept this theory as correct because it is possible that this theory may turn out to be true later, but from now on, how would drive Vegapunk know that Luffy will become the Pirate King, and in order to kill the Celestial Dragon the world will be submerged in water, so I don't think this theory will be right. Next theory is Imu and Gorosei. This theory says that it is the plan of Imu-sama and the Celestial Dragons to sink the world, and they want to kill all the people together by increasing the sea level. And maybe they would want to create a new kingdom, where Imu would live openly, like God, and there would be no Yonko or pirates to compete with them. And then Dr. Vegapunk must have come to know about this. Then he must have thought of making this message. I can't talk much about it, because we don't know anything about Imu-sama. We haven't even seen his face yet. But still, there is a lot of possibility that this theory may be true, like the Celestial Dragon living in Mary Geoise, so that it can escape from the flood. The final theory, Mother Flames. Do you remember when Imu destroyed Lulusia Kingdom using Mother Flame? Then you know that the sea level had risen by 1 meter. If this is done again and again, then the whole world will definitely drown. And you also know that if any person world government does not agree to something, then the world government will do the same. Vegapunk must be regretting this. So these were the words of Vegapunk. I committed 2 grave sins. What could these sins be? I think the first sin would be making Kuma a cyborg, and second will be, yes, you thought right, Mother Flame. This proves one thing, that Vegapunk wanted to tell people about the devastation caused by Mother Flame. You may not consider this to be such a big issue, because you are not from that world. Let me explain to you. It is just like the atomic bomb in your world. Just as scientists were disheartened after seeing the devastation caused by the atomic bomb, it is possible that Dr. Vegapunk too might be feeling the same way. Maybe that's why he made video message. Whatever the reason, it will definitely happen. So second part of the video on how to avoid this will be next week. If you want me not to be sent to the world of one again, so that I can tell you more theories, so please like and subscribe.